Human beings admire the bright, so they never stop making progress. From the invention of the lamp in the early 19th century to the second revolution in lighting history, the appearance of LED light, we ushered in a new era. JJ Lighting Company is wholly owned subsidiary of Shenzhen Jiangjing Lighting Co Limited since 2007. Shenzhen Jiangjing Lighting has been one of the leading LED lighting manufacturing companies, which specialized in design, research, development, production, and sales of all kinds of LED lights. We have more than 10,000 square meters of manufacturing area and more than 200 professional technical staffs, aim at making continuously upgraded, creating, and enhancing service quality, striving to contribute to developing lighting business. Our company has continuously increased technical investment and professional equipment supply during the production and development. Now, we have various professional manufacturing equipment such as die casting machine, CNC multi-axis drilling machine, full precision environmental protection grinder, laser machine, and automatic aluminum profit cutting machine. Under professional technology, we produce UL Advanced LED Flat High Bay Lights, UL Advanced UFO High Bay Lights, LED all lights, and other products that have the advantages of smart, light, and high-quality light sources. The new era with new opportunities, the new consumer markets have arrived. Combining resource endowment and energy demand, we will definitely give play to greater industrial advantages.